Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. This is our second week in our collab, and this collab has to do with breast cancer awareness. And as you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and so I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and welcome back any of my returning crafty friends. I have been asked to join some amazingly talented YouTube crafters in bringing awareness to breast cancer. I will leave links to their channels below. Aloha Kathy, Aloha Tree, Aloha Miriam, Aloha Vee, Aloha Becky. I'm so thankful to be in this collaboration with these wonderful women. So like I said, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And so this week we are working on shakers. If you were around last week, we worked on flowers and I made these little tiny rolled flowers. And what these came out to be purple and not so much pink. But these were the flowers I made last week. So this week I made a shaker. I did use this stamp from the this die from the Stamps of Life, and it does cut out the base of the card as well as the frame of the heart and then this part of the heart. So this is what I used. Made me a quick little pink shaker mix. Sorry for the glare, but you can see all the pinkness in it. And here is my shaker that I put on a card. You hear it? Shaky, shaky. But this is my pink card. I'm going to put a sentiment across of it that just says hope in like a white banner type of paper. And the inside is blank. I did add a heart here and then my little stamp on the back. But yeah, this is my shaker. So just a little update on my mammogram situation. I did call my OB. They did inform me that my order is good for 6 months, but that they usually don't write the date on it because sometimes they give people the order and they don't have to go for another year or whatever it is because they just had their mammogram before they went to the OB. That's what was explained to me anyway. So I didn't have the paper with me at work when I called my OB. So when I came home, I checked and unfortunately, it does have a date. So I will need to get another order. So I will be calling my OB to see if they can fax me the order or email me the order or how I can get the order. And then I will be scheduling my mammogram with the imaging center. And so I will update you on my next progress next week. I hope you guys join in and follow us weekly for this month of October, and make sure you go check out my girlfriends down below and check out their crafty situation they got going on with breast cancer awareness. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider sharing this video with some of your craft friends, and for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!